Morning guys, September 6, 2023. I had a call from Nervous Nelly and her AC went down, I guess, last night around 3 o'clock. She's been trying to run it the whole time. I shut it off, call her and talk to her this morning. Make sure you shut it off. Probably, it's a newer system, so it's probably just the condensate lane trap might be blocked or something. I haven't serviced the thing in a couple of years, so it's a newer system. And I don't believe that I upgraded the condensate line, so it might just, I'm thinking it might just be a block condensate line. It's possible because I got safety switches on the unit. Might have shut off. That's what I'm thinking. It's only a couple of years old. I mean, it could be a burnt wire, it could be a capacitor, it could be anything, right? Who knows what? We're going over there to visit Nervous Nelly. That's not her name, but that's just what I call her, Nervous Nelly. She's a nice older couple, good people, and we're gonna go over there and see if we can get her AC going for her again. Oh, the damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, oh, the damsel in distress, Miss Molly. My first thought would be the condensate line, you know, backing up. That's what I'm thinking, but we'll see. It says it was trying to start all night, so she kept it running all night. I don't know. If it don't work, shut it off. I mean, it ain't rocket science. Burn it up. People won't listen. It's not working. Why you leave it on all night?
Is the little dog going to be right in the truck?
Yeah, I had the doors open the whole time up here, so it should be fine.
Does he want
yeah,
water?
so in the future, if it don't work, just shut it off.
Okay.
Don't keep it running. Don't keep it trying
right.
it 6 times all night. I mean, because...
You know, I noticed something different yesterday. When I turned it on, it came right on, but it never got really cold, you know?
You said it was trying to stop, but it wouldn't start out here?
Yep, wouldn't start. And the water was pouring out of there like a sieve.
Oh, what we got there?
I didn't know you shouldn't keep trying it, though. I kept trying it.
No, it's not good, you know. Unless it's, let's see if it starts. It's starting. Alright, let's go take a look upstairs. Could be, there was water pouring out of there, you said?
Yeah, the water was pouring out in droves right there.
Well, it don't look bad, is it? No, there's no water in there. It don't look bad. It's not blocked. Maybe it's the thermostat, I don't know. It goes right out there. Not gonna fall. The filter's clean, or where's the filter? How come there's no filter in there?
Yeah.
How come there's no filter?
I got a filter in it.
No, you took it out or what? Don't look like there's one in there. Okay, so you got it inside there like that. Let's see. Filter belongs here, in this part. I don't know why you got it in the back there. Filter goes there.
Okay.
Not in the back.
Okay.
All right. So that's new, a new filter, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Well, this is where it goes.
It's
Okay.
a brand new one. I tried to do everything you told me to do.
Right. Except for shut it off if it's not working.
I'll take care of that after.
Okay. Let's find out what's going on with it.
only a year old, right?
Well, I mean,
You put it in last August.
what do you usually set the thermostat at? Alright, so we're at 70 there. Let's see what's going on with it outside. Yeah, don't play with it. Leave it alone. And that's the thermostat. There's no setback on that thing, so it's going to come on instantly. Good. Unless the capacitor's bad. I mean, it's possible. Let me check the capacitor while I'm here, just to make sure. What was that thing? That wire there. What the hell's that wire sticking out? Kind of odd. That's an extra wire, I guess. Well, it's an extra wire. It must have been a 3-wire. Alright, let's just check the capacitor while I'm here. The fan. Brown and purple. Let's just check it. That should be a 45, 40-5. It could be that the, he says that there was water coming out of there, but I don't know. Let's see what we got for microfarads here. Five, that's good. 40, that's fine. You know what happens sometimes if you turn a thermostat off and on, off and on, off and on, this thing will have to settle out before it comes on. That's what she might be doing. I should probably put a thermostat on there with a setback thermostat where you can't be playing around with it. She shouldn't. Whoa. See, that thing just clicked in again, so she must be playing with the flipping thing. Something's queer here. Look at that. Oh, I see what it is. It's broken wire. Right there. See the wire? It's off. That's why. Looks like we got a loose connection there, Mama. It looks like we might have a loose connection there, Mama. That might be what the problem was right there. Something's not right. Something's weird. It's weird. Something's queer here. Something's not right. got the power off anyway, so it's just low voltage at this point. It's just low voltage at this point. When was this thing put in? I usually put the date on this fucker. It's pulled in now. I didn't put a date on it. 2020. It's probably been in 2 years. Alright. Capacitor's good. That's all good. Might have just been a bad connection there. Let's see. A runner. I usually put the date on it. I don't know why I didn't. He's a runner, Mama. He's a runner. I think that was just a funky connection there on the thermostat wire. Worked good for 2 years, there's a problem. Nice and cold here. Gotta make sure we get a nice steady stream coming out of there. Let it run for a bit. Getting a good flow there, and it's working fine. It was just a loose connection, so I'm getting good water flow out of it. I did check upstairs; there was no issues up there. That's what you want to see right there. She's cooking, Mama. She's cooking.